Hi guys, welcome to the chickens channel. Should we go and see them? Let's go. Right, let's see if we've had an egg from your mate. No, you're not coming out yet. No. Go, darling. Come on, I'm sure you've done one. No, you haven't. Oh, darling. You've got to come out. You can't just stay in there. Don't you dare. Wait, leave her alone. Leave her alone, you naughty bird. Leave her alone. Leave her alone, darling. Leave her alone. Hi, Daddy. Good morning. Hello, handsome. Pick up some poop. I do this now and again. Oh, there these. Get there. Oh no. Doesn't matter, that's one behind there now. After breakfast or breakfast, I'll let you out. What about that? Excuse me. Oh no. Well, see you later in a bit. May you give me an egg soon? Yes. Hi guys, hope you're having a good Sunday. It's the 24th. This is the girls. Hello. You're making a bit of a mess, but there you are, chicken. I'll see you later after lunch. Oh, go, behave yourself. Right, go, not Gertrude. Right, pussy pea, Gertrude. Right, Ange and Steve. Gertrude, are you alright? You don't have to be mean, but they are chickens. See you later, girls. Enjoy your evening, not afternoon, morning, late morning. Bye, girls. See you soon. Hi, guys. Thank you for watching the chickens channel. Subscribe, like, share, and hope you like it. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.